Alright, first things first, you're going to get the ribs prepped. You're going to flip them over, and the stuff on the back, it's called silver skin. You're going to take that off because the flavors of your rub won't penetrate that. So just make a little slit in it, and it'll come off just like tape. If your hand slip, like you see mine, it slipped a little bit, just take a paper towel and grab it, and it comes right up. That's pretty much the easiest way you could do it. Alright, next up is your seasoning. We're going to hit it with a little salt and pepper on both sides. And then I went to the store and got this random dry rub. It's mesquite from Grill Mates. I used pretty much the whole thing on 2 racks of ribs. You're going to want to do a heavy coating. Just cover the entirety of it. Both sides. Flip it over. Make sure you can't see the actual skin of the ribs. The more rub, the more flavor. Alright, next up you're going to get yourself a big ass pan to put them in, because we're basically going to braise these. It's technically braising, but we're just cooking them in flavorful stuff. Like right here, I'm throwing a little bit of apple cider vinegar in there. After that, I'm going to throw a little bit of chicken stock. I'm pretty sure I used the entire thing of chicken stock for this. But you're just going around it. You don't want to wash off all that rub. Right here I got some random hard cider I had in my fridge. I used the whole can of that. I'm going to throw in some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Again, it's just a bunch of stuff that tastes good. That'll bring out the flavor of the ribs. I got a little bit of soy sauce right here. You can only find that soy sauce at the Filipino store. It's special soy sauce. Go ahead and throw a little bit of tin foil over top of that. You're going to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 2 hours. That's long enough to make them goddamn tender. Take it out. That's what they look like. Magnificent. At this point, they are completely cooked and you could eat them just like that, but why would you do that? That's foolish. Be careful taking them out. They're way too tender and they will fall apart. Like I'm going to show you right here, like the bones are just falling out. That's how tender these are. That's where the magic cheat code comes in. Before you even put them on the grill, they're done. Now, of course, I use charcoal because charcoal is the best method of grilling. Don't let anybody tell you any different. But we're throwing them on the grill for like 15 minutes a piece. They don't need to cook anymore. They're good. We're just trying to get the glaze on there. See, I'm just trying to grill these ribs. And look how tender these are. Okay, this bone just fell out. Okay, can we just talk about how great these look? Look at this. The definition of falling off the bone right now. The only issue is now it's difficult to move. But whatever, they're gonna be fantastic. Just had to let everybody know that. Why, thank you, me. You're so great. Anyway, back to the ribs. Look how fantastic they look. Like I said, you're just cooking them to get the actual barbecue sauce to stick on and be in the ribs. I don't really know how to say it, but look how good those look. Jesus Christ. Also, the one on the left is keto. That's a barbecue sauce with no sugar in it. It actually came out really well. But as you can tell, look how tender it is. It's falling off the bone. It's so good. And no one at the party is going to know that you didn't spend 7 hours smoking these ribs. Unless you're friends with barbecue people. But you're probably not. So, yeah, that's the video. Tell me if you've tried it. If you like it, let me know. Like, subscribe, comment. God damn, look at that. What a rude person. Anyway.